Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for tuning in. I've just taken delivery of some new urban motorbike boots, so I thought I'd do a box opening and do a quick first impressions review. So stick around and we'll go through that now. Right, so as always, a really quick delivery from Sports Bike Shop. They got delivered just yesterday. Inside the box, you've got the form with regards to the returns. And as we know, returns with Sports Bike Shop is really easy. So, the model of boot that I have purchased is the FORMA HYPER boots in Anthracite. These are an urban boot. Basically, they're going to look good with jeans and give you the ability to walk off the bike in relative comfort. So, open the box. Inside, we've got the label here just explaining that the performance of the boots is in fact waterproof and breathable and antibacterial, apparently. So there's a little bit of information on top there, just telling you about the details of the boot and how they perform. And then underneath the plastic sheet we have the actual boot itself. I'll just push it out the way. So first impressions of the boot are that they are a nice looking boot. They're going to go well with jeans. They should be comfortable to wear off the bike, although I've not worn them off bike yet. Obviously, I've only just taken delivery of them, so I will let you guys know how that works and how good they are when I'm out and about off the bike doing short walks here and there in the town. The back of the boot has got this reinforced plastic, which looks quite nice. The side of the boot here has got ankle protectors either side. Like I said, the zip operation is really quite good. It's easy to slip your foot in and out of. And the boots are quite high for urban boots. They're a little bit higher than the Revit boots that I've already got. So that is going to give you a little bit more protection higher up the leg, which is good. The waterproofness obviously is yet to be tested, but the fact that it's got this liner here and it's all the way through this nice lining, it should be nice to keep you showerproof, I would imagine. It's not Gore-Tex or anything, but it is waterproof and breathable. So that should be something that will keep the weather off of you and means that you haven't got to go immediately to the step of a proper winter boot if you're going to be traveling during weather which is a bit inclement. I really like the urban style boot because simply it means that when you get off the bike, you don't look like you're a biker. And that's handy for when you're walking through town and things like that. You know, it's not as cumbersome as some of the bigger boots that you can get. So yeah, there you go. That's the first impressions really. Feels like really good quality. These are available in a few different colours, I do believe, but you can check that on the website of Sports Bike Shop. I'm a size 11 shoe, 10 and a half or 11, and these are a 45, and they fit with a little bit of extra room. So that means that if I want to put my Gore-Tex winter socks over my normal socks to you know, give myself a bit more waterproof or windproof warmth, then I can do that. So that's pretty much it, guys. They're from Sports Bike Shop. I'm sure they're available from other retailers also, but as always, I always try and get all of my stuff from Sports Bike Shop simply because of the ease of returns, and the price is always competitive. If I'm looking at one product at one place or another, they're never very much out. So yeah, so that is the FORMA Urban riding boot, and I'll stick the link up to Sports Bike Shop when I finish here today. So anyway, that's a very quick first review on the boot. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I say, really nice quality filled boot. Not cheap, I understand, at 140 quid, it's a lot of money for a shoe, but essentially I think on my motorbike side of things, I don't like to scrimp. I'll get the best I can quality afford, simply because then it gives you the best protection. The better quality, the materials, the better really with that sort of thing. But yeah, a really, really nice looking boot, and I'm really looking forward to wearing them once the weather gets a bit better. So thanks very much indeed for watching. Please do leave your comments below. If you want to leave me a like, do leave me a like. If you'd like to subscribe, then of course, please do subscribe also. But until then, guys, when you get out there, ride safe, and thanks very much indeed for watching. Cheers. Take care now. Bye-bye. Okay, so just to give you an idea of what they look like on, that's the length of the boot. My jeans will tuck over, but once you get on the bike, the jeans will obviously ride up, so you'll be able to see the full boot at that point. Just to demonstrate the zip, it is good. Straight down, straight back up, so it's a good quality zip as well. That makes a big difference with regards to how the boot works. And actually now I've got them on, the toes feel very protected and insulated with the thick material inside, so that is good. And they're quite wide, they feel quite wide. I've got wide feet, so that's good for me, and also it's good for being able to put extra socks on if you need to. That's pretty much it really there, guys. And here's the logo on the bottom of the shoe. Yeah, so this is how they look on, and so far I've been walking around a little bit indoors and they feel quite comfortable. They're quite flexible and the material is quite soft, so really good boot. Obviously premium price, they're not cheap, they are expensive, but at the moment I'm very, very happy with first impressions so far.